Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from PBLRKS 611 with the title Wi-Fi penetration. Okay, this is our team. First is Mr. Hajrul Khairul as a project manager, and Budi Rama as a leader team, Zabran Fudail, Fuad Astro Ramadan, Indra Bayu Putranto, Muhammad Ezra, and Khairullah Agustin Wilson. Okay, next slide will be explained by Zabran Fudail.
Okay, this is wireless pentest use Raspberry Pi device. So in this project, we focus on wireless network penetration testing by utilizing the Raspberry Pi 5 as our primary device. We chose Raspberry Pi due to its affordability, portability, and capability to run Linux-based pen testing tools. The main tests we execute include cracking WEP, WPA, and WPA2 encrypt Wi-Fi networks, capturing network packet and decrypting them to analyze sensitive data, then performing man-in-the-middle attack using techniques like Wi-Fi deauthentication and setting up an evil twin access point. Then we execute post-exploitation process with Metasploit for payload injection. Using Raspberry Pi Pico as a USB rubber ducky for HID or human interface device attacks. Each of these steps reflects real-world cyber attack techniques which help us understand and demonstrate vulnerabilities in wireless networks. The next slide will be explained by our friend Indra Bayu Putranto.
Okay, thank you, Zabran. This is our output. Our outputs are categorized into three main deliverable. Number in one, CLI based pen testing. Initially, we built our tools in command line interface to support flexible experimentation and control over various pen testing action. In GUI based tools, to make the tools user-friendly, especially for beginners or educational setting, we start transitioning to a graphical interface. In Training Kit Wi-Fi, in Training Kit, tools were implemented or Raspberry Pi device tested for stability and functionality, and then compiled into a kit format for training makes the project highly reproducible and scalable for educational institution or security workshop. Okay, next will be present with my friend Ezra.
Okay, thank you, Bayu. First of all, we have to discuss with our Manpro and compile the RPP document. At this stage, we will focus on the exploration process. We spend time learning how Raspberry Pi works with wireless pen testing tools, researching necessary commands, and preparing the environment. Each team member explore their assigned tasks, such as capturing packets, running Metasploit, and simulating man-in-the-middle attacks. This exploration phase help us understand the requirements and challenges before jumping into real testing. Now, we've entered the trial and error phase. We're testing the tools directly on Raspberry Pi, checking each function like packet sniffing, Wi-Fi cracking, and running GUI features. During this phase, we also face issues like unstable tools or device limitations, so we keep adjusting and repeating tests to improve reliability. This is crucial step to ensure all components work as intended before finalizing the project. And the next slide will be present by Fuad.
Okay, thank you, Ezra. At this slide, we can see the screenshot of our recent achievement in the CLI base. The result confirm the practicality of our setup and the capability of the Raspberry Pi for wireless penetration testing scenarios. Next slide. GUI design draft to improve accessibility and usability. We designed the prototype for a graphical user interface. The GUI allows user to perform complex penetration testing action with a minimal command line. The design focuses on clarity, modular to access, and visual feedback of each operation, making it ideal for educational and demonstration purpose. Next slide will be presented by Budi Rama.
Okay, so thank you, Fuad. In this slide, project obstacle. Despite our achievement, we encountered several obstacles. Lack of knowledge, science pen testing involves broad and deep set of skill. Our team needed to spend extra time researching and learning different tools and protocol. Unsupported device, a major technical challenge was that the built-in Wi-Fi adapter in Raspberry Pi 5 does not support monitor mode, which is essential for packet sniffing and deauthentication attack. We had to explore external adapters as a workaround. And this slide, job desk team roles. Each time member had a specialist role to ensure focused development. So, one, Budi Rama, which is me, worked on cracking WAP, WPA, and WPA2. So, the second, Zabran Fudail, handled packet capture and network data decryption. And third, Fuad Rastul Ramadan, focused on man-in-the-middle attack. And fourth, Indrabayu Putranto, export Metasploit for post-exploitation. And the next, Muhammad Ezra, developed the Evil Twin attack. And then last team, Khairul Agustion Wilson, create USB Ducky script using Raspberry Pi Pico. These rules allow us to divide to the workload efficiently and deep dive into its component of wireless penetration testing. So, will be explained my friend Khairul.
Okay, thank you, Budi Rama. And there is our presentation from PBL RKS 611. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.